Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara. And today we're going to be completing our cleaning series, our organization series, the Great Spring Clean of 2024. And we're focusing on this living room. This is where I spend most of my time when I'm at home. And I've gotten it to a point where it's kind of messy. So I just want to do a deep clean. So the first thing I do is I take all the pillow covers and the sofa covers off and I wash them. So that is what I'm doing here. And then I wash the throws. I do all the quote unquote linen of the room to clean it. So then once I finish the laundry, I have to wrestle with these covers back on the pillows and on the cushions of the couch. I have a lot of animals in my home, so it's very important for me to wash these things periodically and get them smelling fresh and clean as much as possible. So every spring, summer, this time of year, I like to switch the pillow covers and the curtains in the room. I switch them to lighter colors or brighter colors. And so I just pulled this container out of my linen closet, which I recently organized. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the card somewhere above. And then, I just like to put more brighter colors on the pillow covers. And I put away the winter or the fall winter pillow color covers and couch covers. All right, you guys, this is the progress so far, but I'm going to continue to clean off this stuff, put these things away in the linen closet, and you'll see a transformation in 3, 2, 1. Because I have cats and I have a dog, my dog doesn't shed, but my dog who just recently passed did shed. So we still have a lot of his hair as well all over the place. And I try to vacuum off the soft surfaces and cover up the areas that the cats like to sit on, like the top part of the couches. So that's what I'm doing here. And this throw is usually just for the cats. My little dog is not very good at going outside to pee. He pees on the rug, and this rug has had it. It smells, it's dirty, it's stained, so I'm getting rid of it. And I'm eventually going to get a ruggable rug where I can wash the top layer of it. But for now, this has got to go. So I was able to get the rug up finally. I just have to go over the floor with a mop and clean up some spots, and I think we're all set. I want to get a ruggable rug is what I want, because then I can obviously wash it in the washing machine, and I can still have a rug in here, but I can clean it when I need to, because I don't particularly like these orange floors. Right now it's okay, but yeah. Plus, a rug makes things, softer and a little bit more cozy. So I want to get a rug eventually, but those ruggable rugs are expensive, and we're on a budget, you guys. So I might have to just save up for one and get one when I have the money. But the next thing I like to do is go around the surfaces of the room and clean. And one of the surfaces that I seem to make cluttered is right next to the love seat, because I sit on love seat a lot, in fact most of the time. And this area right here is where I accumulate books, either books that I'm reading currently, or my journals. I have some magazines and things, so it accumulates clutter, and I do want to go through this and try to declutter it real quick. So I'm going to do that right now. Then I like to move on to dusting. I try to dust at least once a week, or if not once a month, just to get, there's lots of surfaces to clean. So uh, this I think I had dusted maybe a month ago or so, but it still accumulates so much dust over time. So I try to get all the surfaces, including the ones on the wall, obviously shelves and things, and then, those fake plants need to be dusted pretty regularly. I'm just finishing up by vacuuming over here. The cats don't really go to this bench that often, but I do like to vacuum it as well. And then I'm just gonna rearrange the pillows, fluff everything up, make sure everything is looking, neat. And that pretty much is me deep cleaning the room to my spring, clean specifications. And here's a reminder of what the room looked like before we deep cleaned and got rid of the rug and just tidied up.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move.
I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my video. Until I see you next time, take care.
Talk to me now.